IT major Wipro will offer a single-digit salary hike as well as promotions to its highly quality performers effective December 1. Pay hike and promotions will be rewarded to employees in bands up to B3 account who constitute about 80% of the company's total workforce. The company is yet to take a decision on offering salary increments to senior employees above B3 band. Tanishq has withdrawn another ad from Twitter that managed to ruffle some feathers. The new Ekatvam ad that was only launched on Twitter, Instagram and publications for Diwali showed actresses Neena Gupta, Sayani Gupta, Nimrat Kaur and Alia Furniturewala narrating what they wish to do this Diwali. The jewelry brand received a lot of backlash for the ad, with some Twitter users saying that pollution is caused by many things and not only firecrackers. President-elect Joe Biden is set to announce a COVID-19 task force. Amid all the talks of the new government's India links, the task force has one too. Former Surgeon General Vivek Murthy is poised to lead the task force. Murthy was appointed by former President Barack Obama and was the first Indian American to hold the position. He served as a Surgeon General for 4 years before Donald Trump dismissed him in 2017. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday made a fervent appeal to people that along with Vocal for Local, they should promote Local for Diwali big time and buy local products this festival season. He said that celebrating Diwali with locals would give a new boost to the economy. While extending festival greetings to people, Modi added that along with Vocal for Local, the mantra of Local for Diwali is resonating everywhere. Amid ongoing efforts to address tax challenges arising from the digitalization of the economy, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Monday said that a consensus solution is required to ensure fairness and sustainability of tax systems while addressing a meeting of BRICS finance ministers and central bank governors. The agenda of the meeting included discussions on the outcomes of the G20 Saudi presidency in 2020, a digital platform to encourage infrastructure investments, and expansion of the membership of the new development bank. The US pharma giant Pfizer Inc. and German firm BioNTech on Monday said that their COVID-19 vaccine candidate was found to be more than 90% effective in preventing COVID-19. The trial result was based on the first interim efficacy analysis conducted on November 8, 2020 by an external independent data monitoring committee from the Phase 3 clinical study. The COVID-19 vaccine BNT162b2 being developed by Pfizer Inc. and BioNTech are in late-stage vaccine trials.